Imagine a world without neon lights. Sounds a bit dystopian, doesn't it? But what if I told you that there's a growing movement towards a neon-free future? Now, before you start picturing cities bathed in darkness, let's clarify. We're not talking about eliminating neon lights entirely. We're discussing a shift in our approach to lighting design and the materials we use. Neon lights, with their vibrant colors and energy-efficient nature, have been a staple in our urban landscapes for decades. But there's a growing concern about their environmental impact. Environmental concerns. Neon lights, while energy-efficient compared to older technologies, still consume electricity. The process of manufacturing neon tubes involves harmful chemicals, contributing to pollution. The disposal of old neon tubes can also pose environmental risks. The rise of LED lighting. LED lights have emerged as a viable alternative to neon. They offer a wider range of colors, are even more energy efficient, and have a longer lifespan. LED technology is rapidly advancing, making it more affordable and accessible. Neon-free design initiatives. Architects and designers are exploring new ways to create stunning lighting effects without relying solely on neon. They're experimenting with natural light, fiber optics, and innovative materials to achieve the desired aesthetic. These initiatives are not only environmentally friendly but also contribute to a more diverse and visually interesting urban landscape. The future of neon. While neon lights may not disappear entirely, their use is likely to diminish as LED technology continues to improve. There's a growing emphasis on sustainability and ethical practices in the lighting industry. Neon lights may eventually be reserved for specific applications or as historical artifacts. So, what does a neon-free future look like? It's a future where our cities are illuminated by a diverse range of lighting technologies, each chosen for its efficiency, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. While neon lights have played a significant role in shaping our urban landscapes, it's time to embrace new possibilities and create a more environmentally conscious future. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, let's explore more fascinating topics and trends.